Hey guys, it's Bacon's Our Epic here. Today we are making a Tower of Heck video. Um, Today Bacon plays and my sister will be joining us and we'll be racing to the top. Okay, let's go. No, I'm racing too. I don't know. Okay, I fell. I'm not that good. I fell through the middle. Okay, I'm really not doing that well. It's okay, guys. Alright, I made it. This one looks kind of difficult. Alright, we made it. It didn't jump! Okay, so, as you can see, everyone, mostly my sister, is raging right now because of how difficult this is. Oh, Liam Bacon plays is, he's doing pretty well. Unlike me and my sister. Let's just hope, he dies in game. Oh, he fell a bit. Oh, there goes my sister. Okay, this is actually getting hard. Alright, we're on blue. What? Bacon plays is more like Obby Pro. No! I didn't realize that was a conveyor. Is he gonna win already? It's only been 3 minutes. He's already gonna win! Unless he falls. That'd be very funny. And he won. I thought she was. Right. I feel perfectly fine. Why weren't you? Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Let's just continue playing perfectly fine. Well, Bacon Plays is being toxic in the chat, and my sister's just raging in chat. Okay, there's no way Bacon Plays wins 2 times in a row. He's gonna die. Come on. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Come on. Ah! Well, guys, it's not even trying. I guess we could do like another one. Well, guys, I guess we're starting again. Maybe this time I'll be able to win. Hello, Liam. Or Bacon Place, I mean, Alright, guys, we did it. Now we just have to wait. Trust me, guys, we're going to win. Ah! Alright, guys, I'm Clutch God. Remember, I know I may have lost, like, basically every single 1v1 I've ever done, but I will win. I do. I will win. I mean, why'd I do that? I'm not that smart. Oh my god. Ooh, that was close. Alright, guys, I don't know what, like, the obvious winner here is gonna get, which is not me. Okay, I did the first part. Alright, I'm doing it! I've surpassed all. This is perfectly fine. Okay, I don't know if you can hear my sister raging in the background right now. Alright, guys. Jump! Oh, that was close. Alright, I know there's like a bunch of more stages left, and I've been stuck on this red one for the whole time. Jump. Was there like something I can spend like on Robux to make me like win instantly? My sister is raging so much in the background. Oh, I know, I know. Alright, oh, they're racing. Who's gonna make it first? Me. Ah! I fell. Come on, I can make it as long as I don't fall. Alright, guys, I can still make it. She can't make it. I can't make it. No, at least I'm at the top. Okay, I think that counts as a win since I'm the highest up right now. Ugh, well, alright. So, I don't think I have enough time for this. But, anyways, guys, tell me if you think Bacon Plays should win anything. Or win, and what should he win that's reasonable? Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video. Bye.